And there will be plenty of eyes focused on the Bay State as Senator Scott Brown tries to hold off Democratic challenger Elizabeth Warren. In a poll released today by Western New England University in conjunction with CBS 3 media partner Mass Live and the Republican, Elizabeth Warren continues to lead Senator Scott Brown. However, the 6-point lead Warren had 2 months ago is down to just 4. But according to Tim Vercellotti, director of the Western New England University Polling Institute, the challenger is making headway with her party.
Throughout the polls we've done this year, we've seen Scott Brown pick up anywhere from 14 to 18% of those Obama supporters. It's now down to 10%, so Elizabeth Warren has made quite a bit of progress convincing voters who are going to support President Obama to vote a straight ticket and vote for her as well.
Since Friday, both Warren and Brown have made stops in Western Mass to rally support. Vercellotti says the number of voters who might be influenced by a campaign stop in these last few days are dwindling.
90% of the voters who expressed a preference in the Senate race say they're very sure. That's up from 84% a few weeks ago. So the number of persuadable voters out there is getting pretty small.
Vercellotti adds that voter turnout could be the key to who wins. He says historically a higher number of voters has meant good things for Democrats.
The last presidential election here in Massachusetts, the turnout was 73%. Previous cycles, we've seen turnout upwards of 80% in Massachusetts. And so it all comes down to who gets their supporters to the polling state.
Vercellotti said both Warren and Brown have had plenty of presence on the ground. A good number of the voters they polled had heard from both parties. However, with the voters who had only heard from one campaign, Warren outnumbered Brown 2 to 1.